safe, make a 3-point turn.
Okay, 3-point turn?
Yeah.
I'll let that go.
See the car coming from the front too?
Yeah.
So, what are you supposed to do? Now you're in the middle, make it.
Sorry.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to cover, guess what, 3-point turn. I just put the video just before so you can see what happened actually during the test. The student failed the test because he was not waiting and letting the car to pass. So he didn't give right away to the car. Now, 3-point turn is not as hard as everybody think, but if you're on the test and you're on this situation, remember, you will fail if you're not patiently waiting to cars to pass. So in this video, guys, I'm going to cover step by step how to do this properly, where to look, and when is the right time to start. Just before we getting into this video, guys, this video first of all will be uploaded on my Patreon. So if you're planning to go for the test and you want to learn extra, check out my Patreon. Link will be in the description. Let's get started. And I'm gonna go exactly from the beginning when examiner give you instructions. What do you have to do? Which way you putting the signal? And when is the right time to look and make observation before you even start moving? So usually on the test, examiner give you clear instructions. Pull over beside the curb or pull over on the side, and we're going to make 3-point turn. So for example, if you're getting these instructions or you start moving from up or downhill parking, make sure you're paying attention to two things that the most important. Find the spot that you're not blocking any driveway and you're not stopping beside the fire hydrant. So when examiner give you instructions, it doesn't mean that you have to drop everything and just stop the car. Make sure that you have if you're pulling over, it's a safe position to stop, okay? So right now I stopped. Now what I have to do, I put the signal to the left, but before I start moving, what do I need to check first? My rear view mirror, to see if there is any cars are behind me or they are approaching me. So I will be patiently waiting. Now, sometimes I have a question, how long, how far is the car? You have to make your own judgment. When you're looking at the rear view mirror and you see the car it's coming, it doesn't take too long to be beside you, because get close to you. Because when they driving, sometimes on the area that you're going for the test, the speed limit is 50 or 30. It all depends on the speed, but you have to make your own judgment. I just saw this car. He was like far, but in split seconds, he was beside me. So the signal is on the left. I'm looking here. I'm looking now over my shoulder. Do you see how I move my head? I need to make sure that nothing is coming from the driveway. Sometimes when you're going for the test, somebody can pull out and you will not see. An examiner will mark you for that and you will fail the test. So after everything is checked, now you're turning all the way to the left. That's what you have to do. So if there is a driveway in front of you, don't go to the driveway, because examiners, when they give you instructions, they say clearly use the road only. So you cannot go to somebody else's driveway and then reverse from there. So now the car is stopped. I put reverse. I put the signal off, or you can put right away to the right. And as you can see, there is a car coming and he's honking me. He is gonna pass. So I don't rush. I let them pass. I check left and right. That's a good example. So don't rush if you see the car is coming. He has enough room, he pass. Now, I turn all the way now to the right. So first of all the way to the left, then the second of all the way to the right. Now, I stop. The key is to put on drive. Signal, signal, check, check. Signal is to the left. And now, cars are far. This one doesn't have a choice. I move out, simply. And now I'm gonna pull over again to explain what exactly happened just now. So there was a cars coming from all directions, and when I was moving forward, that car who was coming from the right side just passed me by, because I was too close to the curb, so he had a room and he passed. And when you're in this situation, don't rush. Make sure that if that car stopped, he will give you space, then you can move. In my case, the car didn't stop, he just passed by. So what I did, I just wait patiently, he passed. I made my car ready. I put reverse, I put the signal to the right to show that I'm going back to the right. And that's how simply I just did the 3-point turn. Don't stress yourself if you see any cars. This is the first thing that you have to avoid. When you do the 3-point turn, don't stress yourself. Take your time, make sure that area is clear, then you can start moving. If the area is not clear, simply just wait. Now, if the car, when you're on the reverse coming from this side, they may pass by too, as long as the road is allowed, right? Sometimes you have a wide road and they have room to pass, they will not wait for you. The only thing you're going to wait a little bit if you see that the driver actually stopping. If that car is not stopping, let them pass, then continue to move. Don't fail your test because of that. So this is, guys, how it looks outside. So now, first of all, when you get the instructions from the examiner, you're gonna put the signal to the right and you're gonna pull over beside the curb. When you're stopping, remember, you have to make sure that you're checking. So for example, right now, I pull over and I stop. Now, I put the signal to the left and I'm start looking at the rear view mirror and I'm checking my shoulder, and if nobody there, I release the brake and I turn all the way to the left. This is the first step. Second, what I have to do, I put the car on the reverse. I put the signal on the right. I check left and right, no cars, I start moving. And I turn all the way to the right. Now, here I stop, and now the car is ready to go. So what I have to do, I have to put the car in drive. And then I turn the signal to the left. I check left and right, I release the brake, and I turn all the way to the left. And this is how you do the 3-point turn. So guys, I was just trying to explain on quick video how to do the 3-point turn and how to avoid failing on the test. If you have been in a situation that you failed the test, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, this video will help you to understand that sometimes you need to make a judgment and not to rush. If you're going for the driving test, good luck. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.